Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Charger horn only way. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shock, then open the grille or access panel to reach the horn assembly. Remove the wiring connector and unbolt the horn with a socket, compare mounting tabs, and install the new horn in the same orientation before reconnecting power and testing the sound. Before you begin, assemble your tools and safety gear so the job stays smooth and safe. Confirm bolt size and electrical connector type by comparing the old horn to the new one, and park the car on level ground with the engine off. Disconnect the negative battery terminal first, then take your time removing the grille clips or access panel so you don't break plastic trim pieces during removal and installation. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during garage work and has a leak-proof spout that fits cup holders, which is perfect for long wrenching sessions. I use it between steps to stay focused and avoid greasy phones. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work methodically. Unbolt the horn, remove the connector, and inspect the harness for corrosion or damage before fitting the new unit. Mount the replacement horn with the same orientation and torque the bolt to secure it, then reconnect the electrical plug and tidy any loose wires with a zip tie. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and press the horn to verify the tone and volume match expectations before closing everything up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.